So here we are at Hanauma Bay, about to do some snorkeling down there in the coral reef. Hopefully we can see some awesome stuff. Let's get it.
How's it going, YouTube fam?
Hey guys!
It's me, Josiah.
And it's Maribelle.
And today we're going to continue our Hawaii adventures. And we're going to talk about probably one of the best things you can do if you're on Oahu. And it probably ranks about second to me as far as nicest beaches. And that is
Hanauma Bay.
Hanauma Bay. It's kind of a pretty cool little area that they have. But I'm going to go ahead and let Maribelle kind of give you guys some fun facts on exactly what it is.
Okay, so Hanauma Bay has been formed by a volcanic cone. It's home to many fish, they say about 450 species. It's a pristine marine ecosystem, and there's anything from turtles to, like I said, fishes. They have the parrotfish, which I believe we recorded it. I think so, it's the one with the colorful one, yeah. Yes. And it's just a beautiful place. It's like a snorkeler's paradise.
So, in a nutshell, if you didn't understand a word she said like me, if you remember that little volcano from Moana, that volcano got upset, blew up, and just created a nice little home for all the little fishes.
Yeah, so there's just tons of reef. It's actually like when you get there, it looks, I don't know how to explain it. It's a little cone. Yeah. So basically, there's no big waves. It's all calm. It's gorgeous.
Definitely. And you know, some things to know about it. I would highly recommend that go ahead and spend a couple extra bucks and take the trolley down.
I forgot about that.
Sometimes I'm more on the budget side sometimes, unless I'm buying gym shoes. And
so we walked.
Yeah, I'm like, it's just a little walk, and that walk was long.
Yeah, and going down. So going down, it's like, oh, this is easy. But if you go down, you're gonna have to go up.
But
it was hard.
The views from the top are beautiful.
Yes.
So basically, whenever you get there, we would say to try to get there
early,
because they do limit the park, and so not that many people can be there, because they really try to kind of, you know, protect the wildlife that's there.
Yeah.
So get there early. Once you get there, there is a small charge. It's probably like about $8 around there. At least when we went, prices could go up. And once you get in there, you're gonna sit down and you're gonna kind of watch a movie.
Yeah.
Do you remember what the movie kind of told us about?
Yes, it talks about what to be careful with if you're in the water, not to be stepping on the reef. Basically swim around. There are some parts that have no reef, so they were saying those are the best parts if you need to stand up, to stand there like on the sands. Basically, if you see a turtle, not to touch it. You can swim by it and take pictures, but not to touch any of the turtles, not to touch the reefs. Basically, swim like you're a leaf, just swimming there, not touching anything. Yeah. Basically, just float around.
Yeah. For the most part. So once you get to watch that, then they let you go ahead and walk down, or again, take the trolley down to the beach. And once you get to the beach, it's beautiful. You know, it's very pristine.
Yeah.
I don't know what it was, but when we were there, it seemed like the sand kind of like, it looked like it had diamonds.
Sparkled. It was very different. And we live close to a beach that's beautiful white sand, but this was different. It just, we're not lying, it really sparkled. We're like, what's happening?
Yeah.
So magical there.
And something that I would say to make sure you have, that you probably have to have, do get a snorkel.
Yes.
So that you can snorkel and goggles, so that you can swim and kind of see everything.
That's the fun part about it.
Yes.
It's just seeing everything there is beautiful, beautiful.
And the second thing I would say is make sure you have a GoPro. Because remember, if it ain't on Instagram, it never happened. And, but yeah, for the most part, sometimes you see turtles, sometimes you see fish. Definitely, if you're in Oahu, go to Hanauma Bay.
Yes, and then one of the things that's really awesome is when you walk in, it's very shallow, but you can go further in. And the further you get there, the bigger the reef becomes, to a part that it looks like caves.
Yes.
But it's like you can go through it because it's not completely covered, so you're not like scared of going through a cave and finding some crazy animal. So it's just if you're a good swimmer or just semi-good, I would say go to the very end because it just gets more beautiful.
Yes, and the water is very calm,
Mm-hmm.
so it's definitely good for if you have family, if you have kids.
Yeah.
They'll be fine. Just like we said earlier, there's not a lot of big waves, so it really is a snorkeler's paradise.
Mm-hmm.
So here are some of the clips that we took. We hope you enjoy.
Enjoy it.
Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching.
And please join us next week as we go to a beautiful romantic luau.
And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's get it.